Well, hey guys, welcome to a What's Up Wednesday here at the Hershey RV Show. Hey guys, we're going to check out this Jayco Eagle HTFW31QCD. Check this out. Walk into your living space here. Pretty nice. You got your wraparound dinette. That makes into a bed. You got your nice mirror here, so you know you have daughters like I do. They'll be sitting here doing their makeup because everybody's fighting over the bathroom. You know,
True.
Nice cabinets above. Swing out TV up there. A lot of counter space for the way this is intricated. But the nice thing is that if you're cooking or something and the family's hanging out here, you all can hang out together.
He said he could put a fireplace here, so that's an option if people wanted a fireplace down there. You'd lose your some cabinet, but if you really want a fireplace,
That'd be cool.
That's an option to put one in there.
GE microwave and oven. They're
Really
small
nice.
regular oven, but looks nice.
Really nice counter space though. They made a lot of. I like this because this is universal. You could use it for the kitchen or you could use it for the living room, either one. So
Yeah.
that's really nice.
Very nice.
And
Look
then,
at the price here for the show. Look at this. For the show, $49,000 for this unit.
yeah.
Awesome.
I mean, you get a lot for $50,000 in this unit, really, truly.
Yeah.
And then the
Decent sized fridge.
Yeah, it's like standard RV fridge, right? So
Yeah, a little bigger than some of them.
not bad. But this bunk room,
But the pocket door. Woo-hoo!
really nice. Yeah.
And what I called a munchkin door earlier, because I call my kids my munchkins.
Yeah, so you can come in and out that way. So if they're out playing all day and they're kind of dirty, you have them come in this way, change their clothes before they get into the rest of the RV.
Yeah, right here.
But
Bunks.
really nice
Cabinets.
setup. Lots of cabinets. And then the bunks, really, like they're decent size. They're not, I don't feel like they're as enclosed and claustrophobic as, like our kids didn't like to do the bunks because they felt like they were being enclosed.
Yeah.
So these are open a little bit more, which is nice. You have your little couch down here, which also is nice.
Storage underneath.
Yeah, stores under, yeah.
Do you want to show them how the ladder works? Over
Where's
here?
the ladder at? Oh, yeah, this is a really cool feature. So you open it, check that out, and then you secure it this way so that it doesn't go out from underneath them.
Yeah, and you don't have to find someplace to hide your ladder or
Yeah.
store your ladder because that's
Yeah.
a problem sometimes. So if you
And-
look into Jayco's, a lot of them have that.
Yes, and it is wood versus metal because we have those metal bars right now in ours, and it hurts your feet. I have to put shoes or slippers on. So these are nice because these nice wood ones don't like dig into your feet.
Yeah, if
But
you have a
really
family, it's really nice.
Yeah, really nice option. If our kids were younger, this would have been a fantastic option for
Nice,
us.
great.
And there's plenty of seating around the dining room table versus just the benches.
This is a sink that a lot of them like to go to now, and do you want to explain to them what we figured out this stuff was?
Yeah, so first of all, if you've seen a previous video, you know we had no idea what this is, but this is to wash your glasses. So if, I don't know if you can tell, but there's some little openings on the top of this silver bowl or ball, and then water squirts out of it. So you put your glass on here, this spins around, flushes the water all through the glass and rinses it for you. It's talking to us.
Yeah.
The one thing we did realize, we were in one RV that had one of these, and there was antifreeze, pink antifreeze up here, so this obviously shoots pretty high, so you want to make sure your glass is good and secured over top there. But it's another one of those sinks that has the on and off up here for your sink, for your water. You have the option to have a cutting board or have a strainer or have a mini sink so that you can divide up your dirty dishes from your clean dishes. So it's really neat. It's a great sink option. And I don't know if any of you have really had this experience that in my farm sink, the drain is in the middle, and that can be kind of a pain, especially if you have big dishes or big pots and pans you're trying to wash, because you're always hitting that thing. And then you end up, it drops down, and then water starts filling up in your sink, and you don't want that or whatever. This is off to the side, which I love, because that way you have plenty of room to wash your stuff, and then your drain's over here to the side, and it helps the water to drain, and you're not knocking it with your pots and pans and stuff like that. So somebody was thinking on that one. That was a really good idea.
Nice chandelier.
Yeah,
Again, your nice
cute.
benches with storage underneath, recliners. Go up here to the hallway in the bathroom. You have all your controls, your switches, thermostat. Nice bathroom.
Jayco really does it well with their bathrooms.
Yeah, this shower is a little smaller than some we've seen from Jayco, but it's still really nice and decent size.
And it doesn't matter which level of fifth wheel you get, whether it's the Eagle or whether it's the Pinnacle or the North Point, they all have that really pretty inside shower lining, which is really nice. And then I think, I was going to squeeze in there just a second and see, because I was worried about cleaning it. This is fake. So it looks real, but it's fake. So it's kind of, I guess it's like plastic or whatever. So you're not going to have grout getting dirty and having to worry about it. Plus it's black, which is nice. It's pretty smooth. So I think cleaning it wise, it should be pretty good. They all have the glass showers, which, being the one that cleans the bathroom, not always a big fan of that, but yeah, you just have to stay on top of that because those can get kind of dirty quick.
What's one of your clothes features in here?
Yes, this is something I've not seen in any of the other brands. So you have this huge pass-through cabinet, and you have a door on the other side which goes to your bedroom. So the really cool thing is you can use this on either side. So you could put like your bathrobes in here and stuff, things like that. Or if you're like me, you got to get in the shower and you forgot to get to change clothes, or you forgot to get your robe, and then you got to go back out and get all your stuff. So so this is really nice. Or this is where your washer dryer would be, which is also really nice, because if you take this out and put your washer dryer in here, you can either have it so that you get it through your bathroom, you can face it this way, or you can face it the other way and have it in your bedroom. Personally, I'd have it in my bathroom, because if you do it in your bedroom, it's going to be right up against your bed and probably harder to get to. But it's also kind of up high, where a lot of the other washer dryer hookups in closets are down and you got to bend over, and you're like me, it hurts your back. So there's a lot of options with this cabinet, so I really like that a lot. And this finish, I think, is really pretty. It looks a little upscale, I think, and it's smooth, so it's not real wood, so don't worry about it. It's not gonna get all nasty with water stains and stuff. It's actually like a, I guess it's a laminate. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I guess that's what it would be.
Yeah, I think so.
And the other cool thing is, you know how underneath your sink people a lot of times are afraid to store stuff under there because traveling they don't want you to hit your pipes and stuff. You can or can't, but they put a drawer underneath here, which is really nice. So they really took advantage of that space. I think more RVs should do that. That's a very cool idea.
Nice size medicine cabinet.
Yeah, it's a decent
Not
size. Not bad. And then I love the little barn look. It's cute. It's all flush, but it looks real. I mean, it looks like shiplap, so it's cute. So I think they really do a good job on it.
And your bedroom is not big and fancy, but you do have a nice place to put your TV, and you have a nice place to hang your coats and stuff. And then this is the pass-through cabinet that Tina was talking about. Passes through over here, so you see that. And you got some drawers here, and then some hang-up storage right there. Slide out stuff
I
there.
love the little shelf there in the corner with the window, but this is really nice. Having that window, I mean, you have the shade you can pull down, for nighttime and stuff, but, it would be really cool to lay here and look out and look at the stars and stuff at night. I just think that's a really cool feature. And then Jayco always does a really good job with the really big windows, so having the really big window in here makes the room feel bigger.
Yeah.
So being claustrophobic like I am, I don't feel enclosed in this room at all. Even though it's not any bigger than, you know, a lot of the fifth wheel front bedrooms, it feels bigger just because of all the open space and the open windows.
Yep, and you still
It's really
have your
nice.
underbed storage there, which
Yeah.
a lot of stuff. I didn't take a picture of outside, but you get the grill and stuff on the outside.
Yeah.
So it's really nice.
Yeah. It is
We're
very
gonna
nice.
head out here, and I don't know if we can film outside. They got music playing outside, so I might not be able to do that. But
Great for a family.
this is the Eagle HT FW31QCD. $49,981 here at the show at Hershey.
Yeah. Yeah. $1,000 for a fifth wheel with a bunk for a family seems like a really great deal to me.
Yep. Please like, comment, subscribe. Talk later.
Bye.